Hello everyone and welcome back to rysonsspraybooth, and in this video I will show you how to take out this dent. I will not fast forward the video that much because I want you guys to see the video in a relaxing manner on how to take a dent out, what to do after taking out the dent, how to fill up the body filler. So maybe I'll do two parts of this video. We'll see what happens. So come on, let's start the video. So first I have taken out the door back panel so that I can reach the dent on the inner side and so that I can push it out from inside, because firstly I didn't wanted to use a stud welder here, so I took out the panel and I reached the dent from inside finally. So if you want to know step by step on how I took out this panel, then that video I will put on my Fix channel, on which you can learn how to repair cars or bikes. You will get a link of that channel in the description below. Now I have all the channels in English and in Hindi, whichever language you like. See that you go on that channel and subscribe to that channel. Now to take out this dent I will make use of this spoon. This is one of my favorite tools to take out the dent because this tool is rounded on one side and curved on the other side. So I will take this spoon and I will push the dent from inside. So I will not fast forward this part where I am taking out the dent. It takes time to take out the dent. It took me around half an hour to take this dent out because I was not hitting on the right spot for a long time, because of which I had to bang from inside for a long time. So I will see you guys now after taking out the dent.
It's coming slightly.
View properly. So as you guys can see here that I am done taking out the dent, but on the top part here it is slightly inside. I can't bang from inside here because the glass is there inside. That's why I had to use a stud welder to take it out. Now because I used the stud welder, the bare metal is exposed here, so I will apply the primer where the bare metal is exposed to protect the surface from rust. Now after applying primer I will leave it for one day and I will work on it tomorrow. So here my one day is up and my primer is totally dry now. So now I will do the sanding. So here I am done with the sanding. So now I will apply the body filler so that I will nicely shape up this panel and match it with the surrounding area. Now applying the body filler is an art in itself. It takes time to learn this. You have to practice a lot to apply it properly, but once you learn it, then it is very easy to apply. I like to apply the body filler because when it is applied properly, then it gives me a very good feeling. You can even practice this by applying wall putty on your house walls. It totally depends on how much you have practiced and how much experience you have in applying it, because this body filler gets hard very fast, so you get very less time to apply it, and I have to set up the camera also. That's why it takes me a little bit more time. Once you are not able to apply it properly, you'll have to mix the body filler again and apply it again. You cannot mix lots of body filler and apply it in one time, because if you are slow in this, your entire body filler will dry hard and will get wasted. So mix a little amount of body filler and apply that first. Later if you want more, then you can mix more. So here I'm done applying the body filler, and here as you can see that I have applied masking tape on the glass and on the rubber, because when I'm doing the sanding, I don't want the sandpaper to touch this surface, otherwise it will scratch my glass and the rubber. So I have given 2 hours for this body filler to dry completely. So now my body filler is dry completely, so I will start to do the sanding. Now I will fast forward this sanding process a little bit only because I want you guys to learn on how to do the sanding. So I have put the sandpaper on a block, and first thing what I'm doing here is I am sanding the high spots. Now how we will know that there are high spots? So when you use a block like this to do the sanding, then the first thing that will get sanded are the high spots. If you want, you can even apply guide coat here, but I will not apply the guide coat. I will only go on my hand to check the up and down. Now as you must have noticed that after sanding for a little while, I keep checking with my other hand if the high spots are gone. So like this, in between you will have to check. Once I am done taking out the high spots, I will start to do the sanding on the edges like this, and I will start to match the edges with the surrounding surface. Once you are done matching the edges, then you will have to sand the body filler, which is slightly up and down in the middle part, and you should level the body filler in such a way that when you see it or when you touch it, you should not be able to feel the difference between the surrounding surface and where you have applied the body filler. So this happens when you perfectly shape up the body filler. Now when there are curves on the panel, now on this door you must have noticed there is a line, and on top of that line there is a curve. Now I have not touched that area yet. I am only sanding the down part first. So once I am done sanding the down part, then only I will go on top and start to sand that part, because there is a curve there. Wherever there is a curve, you will have to do the sanding part by part so that the curve will match with the surroundings properly. So watch properly how I am shaping up the body filler, and once you learn it, see that you apply it and try it out, and when you try it out, you will learn in the process. So sit back, relax and enjoy the sanding and learn from it. I have kept the entire sanding process so that you guys will learn properly. So now I will put some background music so that the video will not get that boring. So here there is a curve, so as you can see that I am applying a masking tape where there is a curve so that I can acquire this curve properly. So now I will only sand on top of this tape, and once I am done with the sanding on top, I will take out the tape and I will start to sand the part which is below the tape. So like this, wherever there is a curve, you should relax and do the sanding. You should not get scared at all, but do it in a relaxing manner. And once you are done with the sanding process, then don't keep that entire dust there, because if that dust gets hard there only, then you will have a tough time taking it out. So use pressure there, and once you are done with the sanding, see that you blow all that dust out. So as you guys can see, after sanding, my dent is looking something like this. Now this video I will end here only, and I will make a part 2 video of this, in which I will show how to do the sanding, because the sanding process is not over yet. I still have to sand it more, so that I will show you in another video. How to apply primer, that I will show, and how to apply base coat and clear coat also I will try to cover in that video. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and see that you press that bell icon so that you will get notification every time I release a new video, and like this you will never miss any of my videos. And if you want to learn auto body and painting seriously, then I've put a link of my course in the description below. You can go there and get yourself enrolled, and you can learn auto body and painting step by step and acquire a professional looking finish, and that too from your home garage. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.